Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I'm an Uber and a Lyft driver, and today I wanted to share my experience on how this one app paid me $500 just to use their app. It's pretty amazing, it's pretty awesome, and I just want to share with you guys. There's a lot of apps that pop up specifically for rideshare drivers because, you know, rideshare is booming. There's over 1.3 million Uber drivers in America alone, and even more with Lyft. So there's a lot of apps that pop up and pay Uber and Lyft drivers to use their app. And so today I'm going to be talking about an app called GetUpside. You've probably heard me plug it before, but it's a really awesome way to make money right now. Basically, they just pay you to fill up gas. Well, when you fill up gas, you just take a picture of your gas receipt. You have to go to one of the gas stations in their app, and you take a picture of your gas receipt and you get money back. So I'm just gonna sync up my phone here and show you how they paid me $500. And I'm just a normal user. You know, I don't have a, you know, they're not paying me to, you know, I don't have like a partnership with them or sponsorship with anything with them. But here you guys have, the way it works is that when you go to one of these gas stations, like they have a list of gas stations, 76, Mobile, I guess those are the only ones in this area. I'm in Long Beach right now. But you just click claim, and once you get to the gas station, you fill up gas, get your receipt, and take a picture of it, and you get cash back. So yeah, like here it's like 12 cents back per gallon. It could be up to 25 cents back. I'm gonna get $30 back per gallon, but that's because I have some of you guys who sign up for the code with my code and link. But I just want to show you guys, I have $7 on my account right now. It's from like two or 3 days. You can get the money with Amazon, PayPal, Nike, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts. I usually just do PayPal because I like the money in my account, my bank account. And actually PayPal waived their instant transfer fees, so I literally get the money instantly. So that's cool. But I did want to show you here is that I've made over $509 with GetUpside. And I mean, I don't know a reason not to use it. It's literally super easy. They even give you a little profile here, gas type, regular. You can add in a promo code. You can add in my promo code down below. That's how it would work for you. History, I can just show you my payout history. I've gotten, the first time I used it, I got $474 back. Then I got $1.21, $2.13. And then in May I got 1,226. So in the month of November, 400 bucks, May 1,226. And I have made over $2,000 in total. But like I've said before, from my own network, I've made 500. So these are just from people who have signed up with my code. So if you get the best way to do it, and honestly, if I'm talking friend to friend, sign up with my code and link, and then once you do that, you will get your own code and link and share that with people, because guys, everybody needs gas. That's the thing. Who do you know that doesn't buy gas? Probably no one, unless they're driving a Tesla, and those are far and few in between. So anybody who knows who buys gas, tell them, hey, you know, you want to make money back on your gas? Here's, you know, download this app. And then so you use my code and link, I get gas discounts, and then you get an additional 15 cents back per gallon every single time you have a new person sign up, and they will get that too. So it's a win-win. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to share my experience with you. This app is awesome. I've made over over $2,000 with this app. So download the link for GetUpside down below. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day. Bye, guys.